So today, my foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stable Coverage Foundation. And this is the color 334 Warm Sun. So I'm going to take this and just, put like a little few pumps on my face. Just blending this all in. Your arms ever get tired of doing this? Mine do sometimes. But I'd be like, maybe that's just me being lazy. That's all that is. I'm lazy. And I put it on my eyelids too, just to, even the score out, Then I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Girl, this is the color Creamy Beige. Just put a little under the eye. On the forehead, just to brighten it up. Down my nose, that was kind of crooked, oh well, and on the chin. And the extra that I have left from over it, I'll go over like my upper lip a little to hide my little shadow from my little mustache, because I ain't had it waxed in a while. I just moved to Texas and I don't know where to get my nails done yet. I don't know where to get my eyebrows done yet. The only place I know to get waxing is a European wax center, and that's fine for me because I have one up the street. Thank you. Other than that though, I need a nail place. I need a nail place because I don't know where to get it done yet. And I used to travel. I lived in Jersey, and I used to travel about half hour, 45 minutes for my nails, depending on traffic or what time of the day or what day of the week it was, Under the eye. And this is just a beauty blender. It's a little damp. I'm not gonna lie, it's not all the way damp because it's damp from yesterday, and I just didn't feel like getting back up and damping it again. Just bring that around in a triangle shape. A little on the lip. Boom, blend that thing out, Other eye. Do you feel like your blending come out better on one side more than the other sometimes? Like that happens to me. I went to a watermelon festival the other day, and they had one of those smaller watermelons that's like maybe like this big. Yeah, it's probably like the size of my head. And they cut the top off and they puree the middle and add ice, and it's just natural watermelon juice, and it was really so good. And what made it better is that I stood in line for almost an hour, maybe a little more than an hour, waiting for it in the sun, and it was 100 degrees outside. And when I tell you the heat is no joke out here, it's really no joke. But I'm a heat person, actually. Like the heat, and it's different. The heat out here is different from New Jersey. New Jersey, you walk outside, you feel sticky, you feel bothered, you don't even want to be outside. And here, it's almost like that. You don't want to be outside. You don't, because 5, 6 o'clock, when you think it's supposed to be cooling down, that's the hottest time of the day, and it be I'll get in my car will stay 115 degrees. Excuse you, ma'am? No. Bugging all the way out. Now I'm gonna set my face with my, okay, so this is my little mixture I have. So I have the Airspun from, you can get it at your local, regular drugstore, whatever, Walmart. So I have Airspun, but I also mixed in a little bit of the Morphe banana powder just to give it, you know, just a little color. Personally, I have separate beauty blenders. I have beauty blenders for setting my face with powder, and I have some for blending the concealer. So I'm gonna take a separate beauty blender and just set under. And I personally do this every day. I bake every day because I could be wrong, but I personally feel like because it's so hot out here, this helps my makeup stay on better. Like I said, I could be wrong. It could be all in my head. I could be crazy. But to me, it seems like it helps set it better, especially when it's hot. To me. So don't sue me. Don't say I'm giving you the bad advice. This is just for me. You can try it. Tell me how you like it, if it helps you. I know on because today is not that bad outside. It's like 90 degrees outside. But on days that it's like 100 and something degrees outside, I honestly get in my mouth. Before I even put my foundation on, sometimes I will put a little setting powder just over my nose, just to cover my nose, and like a little bit under my eyes, just because I get really oily there. And like what's crazy is I have such a weird nose. Like some days like my nose will be flaking, like it's so dry, and then other days like it'll be like so oily. It's just like I can't win. So now that this is on, today I'm using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit, and this is in the number 4. You know, just dust off a little bit of that powder. And I'm using the mirror because, you know, it's mad awkward trying to get all close. And zooming in, I still feel awkward about zooming in. So, just keep you at a distance for now. I'm really running low on this too. Like I have a pretty amazing boyfriend. If it's worth getting done, he'll be like, yeah, all right. Or like he'll let me actually walk into the store so I can get it myself. Because sometimes like we'll walk by a makeup store and he'll be like, no. Like we was in Walmart last night and I saw something in the makeup aisle and it said new. So I wanted to see what was new. And he said, no, not tonight, and grabbed my hand and pulled me away. Like, are you kidding me? He's like, how you know I don't want like a face mask or something? He'd be like, we'll get a mask another day, not now. It's like, fine, what is? And then I usually don't fill in the front because when I do this and I'm like brushing through the back, when I get to the front, like the excess that's on the spoolie already will like color in the front. So like it'll fill it in itself. Brows really, they just bring everything together. So I'm just dusting away all this stuff. I feel like my nose felt like it was running a little bit. I don't know. Dab over my eyelid just to set the foundation that was there. And bring it on down to the neck and the ear. Cosmetics, it's a little worn down because, you know, I clearly use this a lot. I really did like it as a bronzer. And I was so sad when I was in Jersey, the one that was by me closed down. I was like, I'm gonna have to travel 45 minutes to the nearest mall that it's in. And I was so sad. And then now I moved to Texas. I don't know where it's at all. Now I gotta find a new one. And I moved here like very recently, so like I still don't know where like a lot of things are right now. Still figuring everything out, you know. But good thing I'm out here with my boyfriend. And I used the blush from that little Pico duo. I don't know what happened, my phone stopped recording for a second. And now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and this is, I'm using Hustler Baby. And put that thing right on. Little under that brow, just a drop. You know, lay it on. A little over the lip. Do a little on my little booty chin. I'll do a little right here in the center of my forehead. You know? And I'm just taking the other color. This is Me Money. I'm putting this in the corner of my eye. Just for a little some. Mascara on because I don't feel like putting lashes on today, even though like lashes is usually like an everyday thing. But today I'm a little pressed for time. Don't want me sitting around trying to put no lashes on. So I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs lip gloss. This is actually almost done. I need to go buy another one. It's my favorite lip gloss ever because it has just a little tint of pink to it. And this is called Pretty Thing. I'm like, I don't know if you can see, but like, I'm like almost out of it. I'm like, oh my God. Oh wait, am I too high? Can you see? Like, I'm like almost out. It's like so sad. But it has like just like a touch of pink in it. So yeah, I'm about to spray my face, and this completes my everyday look real quick. A little pressed for time. I actually gotta leave the house like 2 minutes ago. But I still gotta put pants on. But it's all right, I'm a fast driver, I'll get there. I'm a safe fast driver. I don't drive all reckless sometimes. And here is my everyday look. But yeah, here's my everyday look, little slick pony. Hope you guys enjoyed my little everyday look. And hope you come back to watch more videos.